In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voting in Trello. By the end, you'll know how to enable the built-in voting power-up, cast or remove a vote on a card, use the quick keyboard shortcut, and see exactly where the results show up, all so your team can prioritize work with confidence. Start by opening the Trello board where you want voting. Look to the top right corner and click Show Menu. This opens the board sidebar with all the controls you need. In that sidebar, click Power-Ups. You'll see a search bar, type Voting, and look for the Voting Power-Up, created by Trello Inc. Select it and click Add. After a moment, the power-up will be enabled on your board, and you're ready to use it. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to update, or refresh your board to confirm it's active. Now let's cast a vote. Open any card on your board. On the right-hand side of the card, find the Actions section. You'll see a green vote button. Click it to add your vote. That's it. Your vote is recorded instantly. If you change your mind, click that same button again. It turns gray to indicate your vote has been removed. This toggle behavior makes it easy to adjust priorities without cluttering the card. You can also vote even faster from the board view without opening a card. Hover your mouse over the card you want to vote on and press the V key on your keyboard. Pressing V again removes your vote. This shortcut is great during live planning sessions or when you're quickly scanning a backlog. To see results at a glance, look at the front of each card on the board. You'll notice a small badge that shows the current number of votes. This helps you spot popular items immediately. For more detail, open the card and click the vote tally on the back of the card. You'll see who voted, which can be helpful for understanding team sentiment and alignment. A few quick tips as you use voting. Make sure your teammates know the V shortcut to speed up group sessions, and keep an eye on the vote badge when you're grooming your backlog. Voting is most powerful when everyone participates consistently. That's all you need to add, and use voting in Trello. Enable the voting power-up, vote on cards, remove votes if needed, use the V shortcut, and check the badges and tally to track results. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there is anything we can do to improve it.